Hi everyone, welcome back to GreyBeard Media, back at the old Royal University Hospital here in Liverpool, and of course the continuation of its demolition. On the 11th of December we have some more news about that rig, the yellow jib, so we'll tell you about that a bit later. We'll also tell you about the schedule of DSM. They've got a 2-week break coming very soon, so this might be my last update for a while until after Christmas, because DSM will be having their break also. But without further ado, we're going to have a look around the old site of the hospital, the demolition of its current state. Don't forget to click like, share, subscribe. We'll see you after the intro. All. And welcome back everyone. We've walked around in the back to where that yellow rig, or jib, whatever you want to call it, is parked. And as you can see, when we zoom in, the tracks are back. Yes, it's been fixed. The slew ring has been flown in from the USA and it's all ready to go in the next few days. While we're here, let's have a quick scope of the area. And that's how the old Royal University Hospital, the ward building, is looking. These guys coming down. How long it took and put it all back together again, but it's ready to go in the next few days, I heard. So but I think after next week, I believe the DSM, what I've been told, will break up for 2 weeks. So I will try and get out next week for one more update before DSM go on their break for the 2 weeks, and then I believe they won't be back till January. But obviously the orange rig has been doing a takedown of the wards building, is parked up there, so I don't think we're going to see it in action today. You can see the comparison, the yellow one compared to the orange one, the size of it, it's pretty big. There's another wagon leaving, probably full of scrap metal or whatever material. I can't really see from here, to be fair. There's a bit of work going on behind. They're lifting the blue containers, so I don't think I think they're making another barrier. So we're going to have a look in what they're doing. Yeah, I'm not sure what wagon that was and what was in it. Can't really see, to be honest. So I don't think we're going to see much demolition today when both jibs are parked up. But I've also been told the section that the yellow one, the big one, is going to be bringing down. So I'll head round there now and show you. See you in a bit all. Yeah, just come round the back further. They are building another barrier, I'll show you. But the lifter just lifted another container on the top of it there. It's kind of like, it acts like a shield. When you see how that's looking there. And that's how the ward building is looking right now. The current state of it. But when the yellow rig is up and running, I believe that's going to be taking down the rest of this section, what I've been told. But I'll pop back Friday actually and have a look, because I want to see it in action. I was unlucky to miss it last time, but it only ran for 2 days last time before it broke down. when they found the cracks in the ring, but it did take a while for it to fly in from America, the part they needed. It's ready to go, and hopefully Friday we'll see it in action. Yeah, just come around right to the back of the wards, and I think they're just unhooking that last container. You got the cherry picker in the air, just taking off the chains. So that section's already in place. We're not going to see any demolition by the looks of it today with both of the jibs down. It's just all prep work for the next stage, and I will be here Friday for an even more up to date, and hopefully, like I said earlier, we'll see the yellow machine in action instead of the orange one for change. So yeah, that was pretty much the schedule I told you about. While we're here though, we'll have a quick glance at the back of the groundwork at the old Royal University Hospital here in Liverpool. That heavy lifter, I don't think it's going to be needed anymore. That was the last container, I believe. It's pretty much the same setup, it's just been moved further up because it was more down towards that corner. So is that an indication of what part of the old Royal University is going to be demolished next? Your guess is as good as mine. But I was told the yellow one will be taken down on last at the end section. So we'll find out Friday, all being well. So in around April, March, April time, this building will be no more, and the new state-of-the-art Royal Hospital will be standing alone, and the old one will be gone. The preparation, the groundwork will long continue after this demolition is completed. I'm not sure if they're going to lift another container into place, but when you look at the demolition of the Royal University Hospital, you can tell that they've gone further along and brought down even more of a section, which surprised me because I thought they were going to take out the rest of this section. So when I come on Friday, it's going to be interesting to see where they start from. I think it's going to be here. I really do. I mean, they're moving a lot of these containers right down to the back there, but I don't think they're going to keep going that way. Surely not. At one point they're going to have to take down this part and level it off. But I'm not an expert, am I? So DSM, they know what they're doing. They're the experts, and they are a fantastic company. I mean, today is just prep work by the looks of it for the next stage of the demolition. So they're just trying everything out on it. Or will they be actually using it? I might hang around a bit longer, you know. wonder if you were going to see it in action today. It is a beast though, isn't it? Now we'll hang around for another half an hour just to see what happens. They might just try it out, but it's ready to go though, so I'll hang around a little bit longer and see what happens. That looks like a big magnet on the end of that, which is pretty cool. They've got a nice load of toys, DSM, to play with. It is a magnet. I didn't even know about all these different kinds of attachments, so it's pretty cool. It's looking like that will be the update for today, or it is like a day of preparation. So I am convinced we will see this in action on Friday. Nothing else has happened. I have hung around for another half an hour, and I believe it's going to be taking down that section there, the rest of that part. So I'll definitely come back Friday, and we're going to wrap this one up now. If you like what you saw, don't forget to click like, share, subscribe. Wasn't as much as the demolition going on, but like I said, you get days like this where they're just prepping the area for the next stages, and obviously the yellow rig has been out of action for nearly 3 weeks, I believe, and it's ready now to come back into action and take over. So I'll definitely be back Friday. To see this in action. Join me then. We'll leave DSM, continue with the ground prep. See you Friday all. Don't forget to click like, share, subscribe. Might be my last one until DSM break up for their Christmas break. Catch you soon.